How to change Facebook location setting. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. Launch your phone setting first and foremost. Now in here, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Select all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. Tap on it. From here you have to select permissions. Scroll down and select location. Tap on allow only while using the app. If it's set on don't allow. And toggle on use precise location. Now once you have granted the permission to Facebook, now go ahead and launch your Facebook application. To change your Facebook location setting, you can do it through Marketplace as well. Select your current location. Now right here, select custom local radius and increase the radius, then tap on apply. Once you are done from here, you can head back to the home page of your Facebook. From here, tap on the 3 horizontal line at the top. Select your profile. Now right here, you have to adjust your current city or your hometown. Tap on the option of edit profile. Scroll down until you see details and select current city. From here, tap on add current city or change current city. Type in your preferred city and select from the suggestion list. Now just like that, you'll be able to change your location on your Facebook. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.